today we are gonna be testing the DJI Neo 1 versus the DJI Neo 2. All right, we're gonna be doing 3 different tests. First, we're gonna be starting out easy, then we're gonna level it up as we go, up to level hard. So here we got the drones and we're about to take off. So let's get going to easy mode. And if you guys are new, definitely subscribe. It's completely free and it helps me out a lot. Let's get going. So we got the drones up in the air and now we're gonna start with level easy. We're just gonna ride around. Oh, yep, look at that. Okay, so Neo 2 is following us good. Neo 1, a little behind. All right, I want you behind me, not to the side. All right, now that we got them in position, we're going. This is level easy. All right, you're just gonna go straight. So far, so good. They're keeping up real good. Make this wide turn. Oh yeah, look at that. It's like they're having a little battle against each other. All right, we're gonna go up a little faster now. We're gonna grind the rail. Woo! We almost fell, but they still catching up though. Double it. All right. How are they doing? Oh, Neo 1 got left behind. I'm right here. Look at that. The tracking tracks us again. Yep. Come on, y'all. All right. So that was level easy. Now we gotta step it up a bit. We're gonna go over this. Go a little faster. Manny. Oh yeah. It's just like that. Let's see. Hopefully they're both still behind me once we get out of the quarter. Neo 2 handling it like a champ. Where's the Neo 1? It's in the... All right, so Neo 1 got stuck over here. Oh yeah, there it is. Track onto us. Look at that. So you can definitely see the difference between the Neo 1 and Neo 2. Neo 2 handles the following way better than the Neo 1. All right, but now, look at that. You're like, got the whole crowd. Yeesh. But now, we're gonna go level difficulty. We're gonna be jumping over the pee-pee gap. Let's get it. Oh, one of them crashed. I don't know which one did, but something crashed. We left one in the dust too. It was the Neo 2. It's all good. The Neo 1 lost track, but look at that. This literally ran straight into the quarter. It caught that video of running into the ramp. Let's see, we're gonna track once again. Yep, we're right here. Just like that, we're airborne again. All right, let's go. So, pretty variable. It really depends on how you're using the drones. So let's see, we're gonna go this way now. We're gonna turn down for what? Oh, woo! That obstacle avoidance on the Neo 2 does pretty good. I mean, aside from when it hit the whole gap, you know what I mean? But yeah, Neo 1 has not touched the ground once. That's crazy. You know what? We're gonna jump over the I'm gonna call it the DD gap. I don't want to say the word, but here we go. We're jumping over it. Woo! Woo! Yeah, I'm right here. Come on. What are you doing? Oh, it's stuck now. Where's the Neo 1? Oh, it's still left over there. Come on. All right, I guess we gotta land it. All right, gonna get it back up in the air so we can get the Neo 1. Airborne again. Follow the biker. Oh yeah, look at that, we're right here. Yeah. All right, now we're gonna do the biker's gap. All right, this is the most extreme level difficulty. So we're gonna make sure, I already know the Neo 1 is gonna lose again. But here we go. Make sure no one's in the way. Here goes nothing. Going this way. We got. Oh yeah. I don't know if it handled that sharp turn or not. Did it? No way, Neo 2 coming in clutch. Leaving the Neo 1 in the dust once again. Oh, fumbled. But we're gonna put you in timeout there, brother. And we got the winner. Somehow, this drone was able to track me all the way around. I'm impressed. But yeah, but let's get going back over here. Let's go. And the thing that drone does way better than this one too is, as you saw earlier, you can control it with your hand. And double hand makes it zoom out. Right? We're gonna go back up. Yep, and then come closer. Yes. Now come back down. Ooh. We're literally a Jedi, as he said. And now watch this. I'm gonna have the power to make it come back. I just put my hand out. Yeah, no controller in my hand. Come on. Just like that, and it lands.
Jedi.
Let's go. So DJI Neo 2 took the win when it came to all levels, easy, medium, and difficult. It was able to follow us on the biker's gap. So hey, if you want a good drone, this is pretty good. I'm not sponsored. If I was, I low-key wouldn't even be sleeping at night, you know. Like, bruh. But yeah, but hell yeah. And plus this has 2 axes, so you can turn sideways and up and down, versus this one that only can turn up and down. So basically perfect stabilization, and you can control it really good. And as you can, it does better in windy scenarios as well, even though the wind suddenly just took a little turn down. It tuned down a bit. That's kind of unfortunate right when we landed it. You know what? Nah, we gotta get a little more. Let's do it. Gotta get a, here, get behind us. Here we go, flip check. Oh, you lost us a little there. Oh my God. I don't know how good that actually did, but you guys definitely will see it. That's crazy. Lip slide the rail. Oh. Oh my goodness, Steez overload. Let's go, finger whip flat. Oh. Now kicky flat. We're on some Mark Barrios type stuff right now. Oh, we got the drone up once again, and we're controlling it on the controller. We just started the filming.
Now you can actually land the button.
Time the manual again. I'm sorry, V2. One, because yeah.
I'll try.
Hey, this dude's about a manual. This is about to be dope.
Let's hope we can get this.
Oh, all right, here we go. Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, crash.
Ah.
Like what?
Whoa, we're zooming around the park.
He needs the clip.
V2. Oh, I'm gonna get the biker first. Oh. Oh, that's funny. Oh. Oh. Yes. This is the best cameraman I've ever had. It's like I have a photographic memory sometimes of this Skatepark. Oh, he's still holding on. Bad filming, I'm sorry. He made it! Let's go! I'm sorry, I'm a bad pilot.
These times when we say that, it might explode our brain.
Oh yes, ooh, 180. Oh, what's he doing? He's about to crash. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I caught that on film! Yeah! Celebration! Woo! What? Did someone rip it?
No, I hit a rock.
Okay, there's no rock on the floor.
Oh, there is! Get the camera, check the camera. What was that? Yeah, it was this. Check the footage. We're good.
You're so funny.
Twig. Never ripped ass before.
You're not a girl, bro. It's like, bro. Now we're back to the crowd. All right. Ah! Oh, who do you think you are, huh? Who do you think you are? Ah. Oh, yep. I can't miss it. Flare! Ooh! Let's go! And eat this. Ooh. Now lip slide. Oh, we gotta get a good one of those. Tanner called us that. Or flip. I did not land it. Here we go, Manny. Now lip. Oh my God. Bruh. I gotta land it this try. Come on. So Manny. Yep. Now. Oh, that was perfect. Now, I'm gonna Manny from this all the way to the rail. And then we're gonna board on the rail once we get to it. Well, come on. Come on. Now. Bro. What the heck? No. God dang it. Come on. Bruh. Stable. No. Bruh. Come on. This is so bad. Come on. All right. This is the one. Yes. Just like that. Finally did it. All right, cool. Well, I think that's gonna be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for future videos. It'd mean a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay vibing, y'all.